Beck's Facebook account restricted from advertising. In this video, we will talk guys about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your device. Then open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll up or scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click also OK. Now go to set as a default. Make sure that this option here, open supported links, it's allowed. And if it's not working with you, you have to disallow Facebook or install it again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.